Hello dear friends, we continue to learn professions and today it's very interesting topic, modern professions. You know, during COVID, during our situation, it's modern internet professions become very famous and popular. Internet professions, интернет профессии. Of course, first of all, modern profession, blogger. And there are some variants of bloggers. For example, it's modern profession YouTube blogger, YouTube blogger. And of course, programmer, программист, marketer, marketolog. And you know, marketer can be in different spheres, and modern profession is internet marketer, internet marketolog. And there are many different professions in marketing. Targetologist, targetolog, contextologist, contextolog, copywriter, copywriter, who writes texts in the internet, SMM manager. It's marketer in social media, yeah? For example, SMM manager in Instagram or in Facebook or in TikTok and so on. Web designer, who makes different pictures for internet, for bloggers, for websites and so on. Game designer, who makes design for games. Interior designer in the internet, designer интерьера. Data scientist. In Russian it will be the same because it's new profession about analysis of internet processes. Investor, who gives his own money to some projects and take % from it. Now online sphere is very popular. And there are many online stores, online shops, and for example, head of online store, директор онлайн-магазина, online store, online shop, online magazine. Or, for example, online education is popular now too. Modern profession, head of online school, online школа. Head of online school, директор онлайн школы. By the way, what do you think about online education? I love it very much. I study in online education, in online sphere, on many courses, and it's very comfortable. You can learn something or you can study everywhere. You can be in any countries all over the world, and you can study from the best specialists from all over the world using computer and internet. It's wonderful opportunity of modern life. So get it. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.